Hey, what's up guys? In today's video, we will be creating this kind of amazing 3D text effect in Photoshop. This effect is fully customizable. I mean, you can change the background color, and the best thing is you can also edit the text. By the way, if you want to download this project file, click on the link in the video's description. It is absolutely for free. Now hit the like button and let's jump to the Photoshop. Okay, so here we are in Photoshop, and the first thing that we need to do is to create new document. As always, I'm going with the full HD resolution with the size of 1920 by 1080 and the resolution is 72 pixel per inch. For the background, I want to create a new solid color adjustment layer and pick this bright greenish color. Let's call it beige color. Also delete this layer because we don't need it. Next, you need to download this pattern from the link in the video's description. Once you download it, just right click on it and choose open, and Photoshop will automatically load it. And now all you need to do is to go to Windows and choose pattern. And there it is. Open this folder. Let's create a new layer for it and click on the pattern. It will apply the pattern on the selected layer. Now to give it a nice color, let's create another solid color adjustment layer and pick any color that you like. I'm going with this bright orange color. Now right click on this layer and choose create clipping mask so that it will only affect the layer beneath it. And you can change its color anytime you want. Now the background is ready, so select all of these layers and group them together by pressing Ctrl G. Let's call it background. Next, select the type tool. Click inside the canvas and type your text. By the way, you can download this font from the link in the video's description. Let's select the text and increase its size. Also click on this icon to confirm it. Pick the move tool and align it to the center. Also convert the layer into a smart object so we can edit it later. Let's call it text. Now right click on this layer and choose blending option. In the layer style menu, click on stroke. Size is 30 pixel, position is outside, and the color is black. Hit OK. Also put this layer in a group by pressing Ctrl G. Now right click on this group and go to blending option. In the layer style menu, this time choose gradient overlay. Click on this drop down menu and select one of these presets. I want to open this orange folder and select this preset. I want to change its angle to 110 and scale to 150%. Hit OK. Now let's open this group, select this layer, hold Alt key on your keyboard and drag it to the top to duplicate it in the same position. Also remove the layer style from it. Right click on it and go to blending option. Click on color overlay and add white color to it. Also make sure its opacity is 100%. By the way, hit the subscribe button if you are not subscribed to this channel yet. Anyways. Now in order to extrude it and make it 3D, we will be creating an action for it. And with the help of that action, we can extrude it. But first, let's open this group, select this layer, hold Alt key on your keyboard and drag it down to duplicate it in the same position. Now go to Windows and choose action. By the way, I already created this action with more feature and customization. If you want to download that action, you can download it from the link in the video's description. But in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create it. So click on this plus icon to create new action. Let's rename it 3D action. Hit the record button to start recording. Make sure this layer is selected, then press Ctrl J to duplicate it. Press Ctrl T to open transform tool and then change its height from 100 to 99%. Hit enter to confirm it. And now you can stop the action. Now play this action few times, it will create few copies which is fine, and it will also extrude it and make it 3D. Now select all of these new created layer and group them together by pressing Ctrl G. Now because this is extrusion of the text, let's call it extrusion. To give it the color, select this layer, copy the layer style from it and paste it on this layer. Now of course it is looking flat because the both colors are same. So to fix this issue, right click on this layer and go to blending option. Click on color overlay in the layer style menu. Choose a black color and drop down its opacity to 20%. It will create a nice depth. Now select these 3 layers and put them in a group by pressing Ctrl G. Let's call it 3D text. Now right click on it and go to blending option once again. This time click on drop shadow. Just play with this setting and then hit OK when you are done. And now it is done. If you want to change the background color, just open this group, double click on this layer, and from here you can change the background color. You can also change the color of the pattern separately. Just double click on this layer and from here you can change its color. To edit the text, let's open this group, select this layer, double click on it. It will open another document and here you can edit your text. Now if it is cutting off like in this case, all you need to do is to go to image and choose reveal all. It will fix this issue. Now close this document and save it. Photoshop will update everything in the main document. By the way, if you want to learn how to create this design, you can watch this video. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoy it. Hit the like button if you like this video. Subscribe to the channel. Also ring the bell icon so you will get notified whenever I post a new video just like this one. I'll be catch you in my next video. Till then, peace.